TSBL is a Taylor distributor in Minnesota and western half of Wisconsin, and we take a lot of pride in helping customers with new equipment, build-outs. We have an awesome test kitchen and dedicated staff to help service and install when need be.
We recently sat down with Jeremy Hoh from the Muddy Cow Restaurant Group and Justin LaVine to talk about how important the relationship between the Taylor distributor and the restaurant owners is. At MC's Garage, there's a laid-back atmosphere, and they create burgers that are out of this world. Taylor Grills allow for that creative menu and has been able to keep up with the demand that Jeremy and his crew throw at it.
People can sense, as a matter of fact, I get goosebumps a lot when I'm talking about what Taylor and TSBL can do for customers. You know, it's just been instilled in me from when I was in service, when I was a serviceman, just to take pride in it. And I understand if a customer goes down, that's their livelihood, right? I mean, that's how they make their money day in and day out. And if a piece of Taylor equipment fails or needs some service, it's very important for us to get there as fast as we can, get them back up and running. And that's the rapport we build with the customers, and through word of mouth, they'll say, hey, this is the right guy to work with.
We worked with another group, and yeah, they were okay. Justin's awesome. I mean, the fact that I'm able to use their kitchen for so many different testings and whatnot, just to use the equipment is wonderful, right?
We want all customers to know that we do have a test kitchen, and when they're developing new product lines or new foods that they're going to use, you know, we want them to come in. And Jeremy has utilized our kitchen. We've actually became pretty good friends throughout the process, and he understands that no matter what he wants to do, our test kitchen is open. He gives us a call. He says, hey, I need to come in and test out a new, he might be working with a new meat company, saying, hey, I got a new burger that I want to test out. We'll set it up, we'll come in, we'll cook through 3, 4, 5 different kinds of burgers. He'll pick out which one he likes, said this is going to work perfect for the menu, and it works out well.
That's been a joy. I mean, I don't ever have to worry about it. I get to be a little last second on a lot of things, and it's never been an issue. Yeah, it's been very pleasant dealing with Justin and everybody. So
the thing I'm most excited about, honestly, is just getting to continue to help people. I want to spread the word about the grills and everything that Taylor does. Show them how with our equipment and service network, they don't have any worries. That's what I'm most excited about, is just continuing to show everybody how we can change their life and change their restaurant future.